Hey guys, today I'm making pizza. We got flat bread and this pizza sauce. I can drop it. And pepperoni and cheese. Favorite. It's this. Pizza sauce. I cannot do this with my nails. There we go. Come on. Start to spread. Spread on. Start with pepperoni. Okay, can you put this in the sink? There. Pepperoni is a lot. I'm making a smiley face. Making a circle. I wish you. This way now. Go there. And eyes. And there we go. A pizza smiley face. And then we put a cheese. Pepperoni here. Pepperoni everywhere. Okay, all done. The pizza's done. Time to put it in the oven. Done now. Let's go put it in the oven for 5 minutes. We got this. So I have to get very hot. The pizza thing, we can get it out on. Waiting. Ready. How about do the 5 minutes?
Pizza. We can make every pizza we like. Pepperoni pizza. Broccoli pizza was my favorite. Broccoli pizza. So let's go make a pepperoni happy. Let's go make a happy face pizza. It's yummy on your tummy. Don't let it open. It's 4. So it's actually 4. There's 4 times in the oven. And this is how the pizza looks like when it's that. Say no.
It's ready. And now get out. Please. You may have pizzeria, yum yum. Bubbleless, crusty. Pizza is my favorite. So we have the pizza. It sounds like my teeth cracking out. Wait, it does not. So let's go eat it. This is my finished pizza. This is how the pizza bacon. So it's hot. So we bake it for our dinner. I make it for a reason. So I'm gonna give it to my brother to have a taste test. Let's go.